Discover how thousands of YouTubers are making a full-time income. Go to beatoolboss.com or click the link in the description. Welcome to Real Internet Cash TV. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this short video, we getting straight to it. We talking about why you should stop taking paid surveys, why you should stop looking for them, why you should stop signing up for them. Here's why. All right, here's the truth. Here's what you need to hear. All right, paid survey sites don't pay that much money. All right, it's a fact, right? I've been talking about paid surveys for over 10 years now, and have I made money taking surveys online? Absolutely. Have I made a full-time income taking surveys? No. And I honestly believe it's not possible to make even a part-time income, definitely not a full-time income, just by taking surveys online. Now, you still see from time to time a lot of people promote surveys and they make it seem like you can make $500 a month, $1,000 a month just by answering questions. That ain't real. All right, but it's like when it comes to paid survey sites, guys, look, there are legit ones. Let's be clear on that. There are real companies that will pay you real money to answer some questions. The problem is the money that you're going to get paid, it's not a lot. You might get $1, $2, $3 here and there to take surveys. That's real. But I find that most people, when they look towards getting paid to take surveys, they're looking at it as a way to make like some real money because it was presented to them like that, right? So most people, when they talk about, I want to make money, I want to get paid to take surveys, they're under the impression that they can find some sites that can pay them, you know, $500 to $1,000 a month, and that's just not out there that I've seen. Now, if I'm wrong, comment below. Let me know the sites that you know of that pays, you know, a part-time income or a full-time income doing surveys. All right. So my advice to you is, if you're looking at paid surveys as a way to make like real money online, just stop. Stop. You know, search other YouTube channels, search my channel for other ways to make money online, because you're going to be really disappointed if you go into paid surveys as a way to like live off of. Now, to be fair, yes, you can make money by doing surveys, and I would recommend it to somebody who's just looking for a way to earn some extra cash. And I mean, like, you know, 40 bucks here, 50 bucks here a month. If you're super lucky, you might can get to, you know, like 100 bucks a month. And that's if you grinding with it and you find the right company and everything, right? But yes, you know, if you just want some money to pay your phone bill or maybe go out to dinner at the end of the month, sign up for some survey sites. Sign up for Prolific. Sign up for Opinion Outposts. Sign up for Paid Viewpoints. All right, those are 3 places where you can get started and actually earn money just by, you know, taking surveys. All right, so hopefully this video helped you out, steered you in the right direction. If it did, comment below. Let me know your thoughts on it. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. Give it a thumbs up. All that good stuff. And I will see you in the next video. Peace.